This is the Americolor Orange Food Coloring. This is a gel color and it is very saturated. I'm putting this in 1/4 cup of white buttercream icing. This is 1 drop, 2 drops, and 3 drops in 1/4 cup. So you'd obviously have to use more if you had a whole batch of icing. But I'm getting a really good, this is like a creamsicle color sort of. It's definitely an orange color, it's just on the lighter side. If you had more icing, you could easily make a pastel just with a few drops. And this, you know, as you're adding a little bit more, it's definitely getting darker. I can see the difference between this one and this one pretty well. But the saturation levels on these are just really, really impressive. And, you know, I mean, it's the kind of thing where the less food coloring you can use, the better. And this actually is pretty true to the color that I'm getting with the dark one. So if you're looking for a good, like a good saturated food color, you don't need to use a lot of this. And I've been testing the Americolor colors today, and I'm really impressed with how good the color is with just a little bit of the food coloring. So yeah, definitely this one's a keeper.